of these qualitative research techniques, there has to be a reason to use them. What quantitative research methodologies are good at is when you need to capture very accurate and very in-depth insights, where it's really useful to capture factual data and not just numbers. It's very good to use when you want to understand strengths and weaknesses of selected issues or selected problems. Also, if you want to understand KA behavior. It's also really excelling at analyzing and identifying stigma and beliefs and specific words that are attached to such concepts of stigma and belief. And also, it's good at gathering perception data, so really what a person is thinking rather than what they're quantitatively doing on a large scale of a population. It's really about the impression of perception versus much more linear, much more quantitative modeling.